On March 13, 2025, American Airlines Flight 1006, a Boeing 737 traveling from Colorado Springs to Dallas, was forced to make an emergency landing at Denver International Airport due to severe engine vibrations. Upon touchdown, smoke and flames were seen coming from the aircraft's underbelly. All 172 passengers and 6 crew members were safely evacuated. This incident adds to the rising concerns over air safety in the United States. Previous incidents include January 29th, a mid-air collision between an American Airlines regional jet and a military helicopter, resulting in 67 fatalities. February, a Delta Air Lines aircraft skidded off the runway in Toronto, injuring 18 people.